Welcome to IACE. Today we are going to discuss 20th October 2020 Shift 3 reasoning explanation. Take your first question. Select the option in which the words share the same relation as that shared by the given pair of words. When these two having one logic, so which are the following having the same logic as given one? Now, Chief Justice of India is related to President. Suppose, often Chief Justice is appointed by President. Chief Justice is appointed by President. In the same manner here, Chief of Army Staff is appointed by here ACC and Army Cadet College. So, Prime Minister, no chance. Next one, a Municipal Commissioner is appointed by here State Government. Yes. So, answer is what? Option B. Here logic is what? Here a Chief Justice of India is appointed by President. In the same manner, Municipal Commissioner is appointed by State Government. So, answer is what? Option B. Question number 2. In a certain code language, salute, S-A-L-U-T-E, salute is written as I-U-A-M-E-T. Then how? Mango is written as M-A-N-G-O. Mango is written as. Suppose, friends, once observe here. Friends, here the given is what? Here S, here the given one is what? T. That means here plus 1. L again they given M, that means here plus 1. T they given here U, that means this one is what? Here plus 1. That means if it is a consonant, plus 1. Next if it is a vowel, E, next vowel is what? Here I. Next U, next vowel is what? A. Next vowel is what? Here E. That means if it is a vowel means what? Then replace with next vowel. Replace with here next vowel. Yes. Friends, here logic is what? Consonant means plus 1, vowel means what? Replace with next vowel. So, last letter will comes first. O, next vowel is what? So, O, next vowel is what? Here U. With U, we are having more options. Next, consonant is what? Plus 1. So, G plus 1 is what? Here H. Consonant plus 1. N plus 1 is what? O. A, next vowel is what? E. Next consonant plus 1 is what? Here M. N. So, answer is what? U-H-O-E-N. U-H-O-E-N means answer is what? Option D. Here logic is what? Consonant means plus 1, vowel means replace with next vowel. Number 3, select the option that is related to the third letter cluster. In the same way, second letter cluster is related to first letter. Here the again question is from analogy. These two are related based upon one feature. That same feature is applicable for third one and fourth one. How these two are related? C opposite is what? Here X. D opposite is what? W. E opposite is what? V. The same manner, H opposite is what? S. I opposite R. J opposite is what? Here Q. So, answer is what? S or Q. Answer is what? Option D. Here logic is what? Opposite letters. Question number 4. In a certain code language, WAND is written as 24, 0, 15, 3. Next one, CURD, CURD is written as 4, 20, 19, 3. Then how will be East is written as? Friends, once if you are going to observe here, friends say here, W face value is what? 23, A face value 1, N is what? 14, D is what? 4. So, here 23 but they given 24, that means here plus 1. A1 but they given 0, minus 1. 14 they given 15, plus 1. 4 they given 3, that means here minus 1. That means logic is what? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Suppose C 3, 21, U, next 18, next one is 4. C plus 1, 4, minus 1, 20, plus 1, 19, minus 1, 3. That means here logic is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. E face value 5, A is 1, S is 19, T is what? 20. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 19 plus 1, 20. Next one, 20 minus 1, 19. So, answer is what? 602019. So, answer is what? Option D. Question number 4, answer is option D. Question number 5, Sarda says to Sarayu, your mother-in-law. Friends, here your qualifies here Sarayu and your qualifies here Sarayu. So, your mother-in-law is my father's mother. Friends, take here Sarayu and suppose take here Sarayu. Sarayu having mother-in-law. So mother-in-law means what? Here spouse mother, that means husband or wife mother. So Sarayu having one mother-in-law. So here mother-in-law means what? Here spouse mother. Your mother-in-law is, that means Sarayu mother-in-law is my father's, here my father's mother. My qualifies here Shraddha. So here Sarayu mother-in-law is what? Here Shraddha father's mother. And so this person is what? Shraddha father's mother. That means one is what? Here Shraddha. Now Shraddha having one father. This father is what? This mother-in-law. Now the given statement is what? Your mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law means what? Sarayu mother-in-law. This person is here my father's mother. My father's mother means what? Shraddha father's mother. Yes. Now next, my father is the eldest son. That means Shraddha father, this person is the eldest son. But your husband is not my father. Your husband is means what? Here Sarayu husband is not my father. And that means here this father having one more brother. This father having one more brother. This person is the husband of Sarayu. So question is what? How is Sarayu is related to Shraddha? Now this person is male means one is what? Female. Sarayu is what? Aunt of Shraddha. So answer is what? Aunt, option B. Friends, remember, if they given your or if they given his means, take from starting onwards. Your mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law means what? Sarayu having mother-in-law. That means here mother-in-law means what? Here spouse mother. This person is my father's mother. That means Shraddha's father's mother. But here my father is not husband of Sarayu. That means my father having one brother. This brother is the husband of Sarayu. So how Sarayu is related to Shraddha means answer is what? Aunt. Question number 6. Select the option that is related to the third word in the same way the second word is related to the first word. Suppose friends take here India, Delhi. Friends here Delhi is the capital city of India. In the same manner, Jharkhand capital is what? Ranchi. So answer is what? Option A. Here they given capital cities and here India capital is what? Delhi. In the same manner, Jharkhand capital is what? Here Ranchi. So answer is option A. Question number 7. Two different positions of the same die are shown. Select the number that will be on the face opposite to the one having 6 end. Friends, once if you are going to observe here we are having 1 3, here also we are having 1 3. In the two different views of a one die, if two numbers are same, remain two numbers are opposite. Here 1 3 same, here 1 3 same is remain two numbers. 2 opposite is what? 6. Otherwise 6 opposite is what? 2. Our requirement is what? Opposite to 6 is 2. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 8. Here the again question is from Silax. Our requirement is what? Which of the following conclusions are logically follows? Take here given statements. All workers are honest. Friends, take here workers. These all workers are honest. Next one. Few of my friends are worker. That means here few means what? Some friends are workers. Now take here. Some of my friends is a workers. All my friends are honest. Now that means here they given diagram like this. Take here. Workers. A few of my friends are workers, but all friends are honest. All workers also honest. Yes, this is the given statement. Now take conclusion. All my friends are workers. No, few my friends are workers. All friends are workers means wrong. Second one. All workers are my friends. So we know only some workers are friends. All workers are friends means also wrong. All my non-workers friends are honest. Friends, we know only workers and all work. That means here this one is what? Here workers. This all workers are honest. All friends are also honest. So this one is what? The given conclusion is what? All my non-worker friends. That means this one is what? Worker. This one is what? Non-worker. These non-worker friends are honest. Yes, that means here third one is true. So answer is what? Only third one follows. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 8. Answer is option D. Here they given once again see here. Third conclusion is all non-worker friends. That means here these friends are mixed with worker. That means these are the worked friends. Remain these are the non-worker friends. These non-worker friends are here honest only. So answer is what? Third one is true. Question number 9. Select the option in which the given figure is embedded. Rotation is not allowed. So embedded figure or hidden figure. And so this figure is hidden in which are the following 4 figures? Yes, this figure. First one no chance, second one no chance, third one also no chance. Why means here this one is like curved shape, like this it should come, like slant type, but here they give straight, no chance. That means here remaining is what? Answer is what? Option D. So in this case the given figure is here hidden or not? Yes. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 9, option D. Question number 10, select the correct mirror image of the given figure from the options. Now they kept here mirror is downside, that means top is bottom, bottom is top. That means this triangle is going to invert and mirror is downside, that means top is bottom, bottom is top. Triangle is like this means it is going to invert. Next here in this case, here in this circle this shading is upside, here also upside. If it is a mirror image means top is bottom is, here in circle shading is downside, here circle shading is downside. So triangle should be downside, this shading also downside. Which option is there? Here no chance, here no chance. Next here shading is upside, no chance, that means option C is the answer. Question number 10, answer is option C. Question number 11, 4 numbers have been given below, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. So select the different one. So odd one out. So friends, 132, this one is what? Multiple of 3. This one is multiple of 3. 3 4s are, next 3 4s are, yes. Next one. Once if you are going to observe here, this one is 3 1s are, next 3 15s are, this one is not, multiple of 3. Next this one is what? Here 3 8s are 24, next one is what? 28, 3 9s are, next 3 5s are, this one also multiple of 3, this one is multiple of 3. Now this one. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, total is what? 17, that means here 3 5s are 15, next 25, 3 8s are, 3 4s are, 3 1s are, yes. This one also multiple of 3, that means answer is what? Option B and. So question number 11, answer is what? Option B. Why means remaining 3 are multiples of 3, but B is not multiple of 3. Otherwise friends, 3 divisible to rule is what? Sum of all digits is divisible by 3. Suppose 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1 is what? 6, divisible by 3. Here sum is how much here? 10, 14, it is not divisible. Here sum is how much here? 6, 20, 16, 21, divisible by 3. This one is what? Here 7, next here 7, 14, next one is what? 17, 18, this one also divisible by 3. So answer is what? Option B. So 3 divisible to really sum of all digits is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 3 means, so answer is what? Option B. Question number 12, select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way the numbers in the given set. So this set having one logic, so which are the following set having same logic as given set? Suppose friends take here the given 13, 133, next one is what? Here 6. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, 13 square is what? Here 169. Now 6 square is what? Here 36. Now 169 minus 36, this one is what? 3 3 1, that means here 133. That means here logic is what? Sum of first number square minus sum of third number square equal to middle number. Suppose friends take here, this one is what? 11 square 121 minus 2 square 4, it is not equal to 122. First one no chance. Second one, 10 square is what? Here 100, here 36, that means it is not 8, this one also no chance. Go for third option here. 3 square is what? Here 9, 2 square is what? 4, difference is what? 5, but 4, no chance. So remaining is what? Option D is the answer. Friends, here 9 square is what? Here 81, 4 square is what? Here 16. 81 minus 16 is what? Here 5, 7 minus 1 is what? 6, 65, yes. So first number square minus third number square equal to middle number. So the given set have, which are the following having same logic as given set means answer is what? Option D. Question number 13, if plus means multiplication, friends take here, plus means multiplication. Next multiplication means what? Division. Next division means here subtraction. Subtraction means what? Here addition. Take here given statement, 48 divide by means what? Here minus 12. Next into means what? Divide by 3. Minus means what? Here plus 6, plus means what? Here into 3. So first priority is for division. 12 by 3, this one is what? Here 4, plus 6 into 3 is what? Here 18. So this one is what? 48, this one is what? Here 14. 50, next 58, 62 is the answer. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 14, The sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the following figure. How would this paper look when it is unfolded? Now friend, this one is part our paper. It is divided into 3 parts. Left folded to middle, right also folded to middle. We are having only middle part. It is divided into again 2 parts. Now bottom is folded to top. We are having only top part. In this top part, here they given one circle. They given like one shape pattern. Now folding is from top to bottom. Unfolding is from bottom to top means now bottom to top is the folding. Unfolding is from top to bottom. That means here this circle will fall. Next here this shape will also will fall. Yes. Next one. Here folding is from here right to middle, left to middle. That means here middle to left, middle to right. Here one M shape. Here also one M shape. Next here one cut, here one cut. So which are the following figure is there? This one is no chance. Here 2 circles, no chance. Here no chance. That means remaining is what? Option B is the answer. So question number 14, option B. Question number 15, select the option figure that can replace the question mark in the following series. Here we are having 1 arrow, 2 arrows, 3 arrows, 4 arrows. Next one is what? Compulsory we are having 5 arrows. So in question mark place, compulsory we are having the 5 arrows. And next, in this case, first arrow downside, first arrow upside, again downside, again upside. That means again it should be downside. So in the given options, 5 arrows should be there, but first arrow is downside. Here 5 arrows are there, first arrow is upside, no chance. 4 arrows are there, no chance. 4 arrows are there, no chance. That means this is the only answer. So total 5 arrows are there. One arrow is first arrow is what? Downside. First arrow, first diagram down, again up, again down, again up. That means again down. So option C is the correct image. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 16. 4 words have been given below. Out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the odd one. So out of given 4 games, 3 are same, 1 is different. So which one is the different game? Here kabaddi, volleyball, football and cricket. Friends, volleyball, football and hockey we are going to play by using ball. But kabaddi by using ball we are not going to play. That means different one is part. Kabaddi, so answer is part. Option A. Why means remaining 3 we can able to play by using ball. But in kabaddi we are not going to use ball. And so answer is option A. Question number 17. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Suppose friends take here. This shape consider first hand. If you are going to consider this shape means now how many triangles are there? 1, next 2, next 1 and 2 combination is part 1. That means here 3. That means for this shape 3 and here 3, here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. That means total is part here 12 plus next. Friends, once if you are going to observe here again 1, 2, 3, 4 and small we are having 4, 1, 2 combination, 2, 4 combination, 4, 3 combination, 1, 3 combination. So small, this one is one triangle, this one is one triangle, this one is one, this one is one. That means here 4 plus 1, 2 combination, 2, 4 combination, 4, 3 combination, 3, 4 combination. Again 4. 4 plus 4 again is what? 8 plus next. From this one is what? Here one triangle, this one also one triangle, this one also one triangle, this one also one triangle. That means here again 4. 20 plus 4, answer is what? 24, answer is what? Option B. 18. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way the numbers in the given set. So this set having one logic. So which are the following set having same logic? Suppose friends take here 23, next 59, next one is what? Here 18. Suppose friends once if you are going to take here 2 plus 3, sum of digits is what? 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Here sum of digits 1 plus 8 is what? Here 9. That means so first number sum of digits equal to middle number first digit, last number sum of digits equal to middle number second digit. Now 7 plus 1, friends 7 plus 1 is what? Here 8. Now 2 plus 1 is what? Here 3. That means here answer is what? Option A only. So question number 18, answer is what? Option A. 18. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. Here the given is what? Minus 13, 16, minus 20, 25, minus 31 question mark. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, alternatively we are having minus. That means here this one is alternative series. Minus 30, minus 20, minus 31, 16, 25, next one question mark. Friends, here difference is how much here? minus 20, minus 13, this one is part, minus 7. Next 25, here 16, this one is part, here 9. Next minus 31, minus of minus 20, that means here second number minus first number, this one is part, here minus 11. Minus 7, next 11, sorry, minus 7, next 9, next one is 11. 7, 9, 11, next one is part, here 13, this one is part, here 13. 7, next time 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2 is part, 13. Now 25 plus 13, total is part, here 30, 38 is the answer. So answer is part, option A. So question number 19, answer is option A. Question number 20, select the option that is related to the third number in the same way second number is related to the first number. Suppose friends take here, 36 is related to 27 in the same manner 16 is related to question mark. 36 means one is part, here 6 square. Now this one is part, here 3 cube. Friends take here 6 square, here 3 cube. 6 half is part, 3 cube. Same manner 4 square. Now 4 half is part, 2 cube is part, here 8. So answer is part, option C. Here logic is 36, 27. Here 36 is part, 6 square, 27 is part, 3 cube. So 6 square, 6 half is part, 3 cube. 4 square, 4 half is part, 2 cube is part, 8. Question number 21, 4 letter clusters have been given out of which 3 are alike in some manner, 1 is different. Select the different one. Suppose friends take here, K face value is part, here 11, M face value 13. Now take a last letter taken, O. Friends, O opposite is part, here Ln, O opposite is part, L face value is part 12. Take a last letter opposite. Now C face value is part, here 3, E face value 5, W opposite is part, here D. Now D face value is part 4. Next one, H face value is part 8, J face value 10, R opposite is part, here I face value is part 9. Now D face value is part 4, F is part 6. Now U opposite, friends, here U opposite is part, here F face value is part, here 6. Once observe which one is the wrong number. Suppose friends take here, first one is part 11, 13, this one is part, here plus 2 minus 1, plus 2 minus 1, plus 2 minus 1, here plus 2, this one is part, here minus 0. That means this is only different one. So answer is part, option D. Question number 22, in the Venn diagram given below, the circle represents boys. This one is a boys. The triangle represents married. Triangle is married. Square represents person who own pets. That means this one is part, the one who is having the pets. Leave it. Then select the area which represents boys who are married. Boys who are married. That means this one. Boys who are married but do not own pets. That means here these 5 members having the pets. That means this 5 will not come. That means boys who are not married means what? 4. So we don't have the pets. So answer is what? 4 members. Answer is option C. Question number 23. Select the option that represent the words in a logical sequence. So we are going to arrange in the sequence, logical sequence order, otherwise meaningful order. Suppose mouse, peanut, eagle, snake. Friends, check here. Peanuts, mouse will eat. Next, after that, this one is not in sequence. First one is what? Peanut. By eating peanut, mouse will eat. By using mouse, again snake. So this one is not in order. Leave it. So mouse, snake, no chance. So peanut is will eat by mouse. By eating mouse, snake. By eating snakes, here eagle. Yes, this is in the sequence. Friends, mouse will eat peanut. Now snake will eat here mouse. Now eagle will eat here snake. So this is in the sequence form. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 24. Select the combination of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given letter series will complete the series. Now friends, for this type of question, simply go through the options and once if you are going to observe here A, C, after C here we are having D, suppose take here D, after D again B, next friends A, that means A before again here we are having A. Once if you are going to observe here AC, DBA, AC, DBA, AC, DBA, AC, DBA, AC. Next one is what here? AC, DBA. Yes, that means a sequence is what? AC, DBA is repeating. So answer is what? D, A, D, B, C, D. Next A, D, B, C. Next one B, A, B, A. Which option is there? Check once. DA, with starting with the D, we are having only one option, so answer is what? Option B. Friend, these type of questions, once analyze the sequence and if not, substitute the option. So answer is what? Option B.